Last class of integration, with basic of integration, some definition and good ideas. Okay, so today we discuss some one or two questions, and today's day for formulas of integration. Okay, so now I am taking one question like integration. Okay, I am using a yellow chalk. Okay, integration x square plus 3. Okay, d of x square plus 2 dx. Okay, integration of x square plus 3 d of x square plus 2. Okay, so you know very well from last class what I am saying. Integration of x dx, it means integration of x with respect to dx. Integration of with respect to x. So same thing, integration of x square plus 3 with respect to x square plus 2. But sir, you saying last class x dx, but there is x square plus 2. How to solve this question? Think. How to solve? Okay, no problem. I am taking same question, same way, x square plus 2 plus 1. Okay, any problem guys? X square plus 2 plus 1, and there is d of x square plus 2. Okay, now I am taking x square plus 2 is equal to t. I am taking x square plus 2 is equal to t. I am not derivative. This is not a substitution of integration. I am look for solve this question. So it is x square plus 2 is a t. So t plus 1 into dt. Why? X square plus 2 is a t. So it is a dt. Now integrate dt and t. So you know integration t of t square by 2 plus integration of 1 is t and plus c. Now value of t is x square plus 2. So x square plus 2 divide by 2 plus x square plus 2 plus c. So it is answer, and there is two things is more important. First thing, integration with respect, and the second thing, integration of when you integrate addition of two functions, subtraction of two functions. So first integration and second integration, it means integration of t dt plus integration of 1 into dt. It is only basic integration class. So यहाँ पे हम जो बात करने वाले हैं वो बहुत ही बेसिक सी बातें करने वाले हैं. Okay, so it is t dt 1 dt. So now t dt it means t square by 2 plus t it means 1 into t. So t square by 2 plus t, it is clear or not? Clear or not? So it is a way of d with respect to d of x square plus 2. Clear? Okay, now next point is formula. Next point is formulas. Okay, so what I am saying, formulas of integration. What I am saying in definition of integration is the reverse process of differentiation. It means when required any formula, so we compare in differentiation, like dy dx of x to the power n. So x to the power n derivative, you know very well, the power of n will come in multiplication, n into x to the power n minus 1, and x to the power n minus 1. It means degree of x is multiplied once and 1 is subtract, because differentiation always decrease. Differentiation always decrease and integration always increase. Why? Actually, you know very well in physics. What is this? Loop. What is this? Loop. Loop means if I am putting here dt, you know very well 1 dt. I am putting here 1 dt. dt means difference, very minimum distance. बहुत ही छोटा difference है किसी function में. So dt n times. So sigma 1 like a sigma 1. Loop work like a sigma summation. It means dt, it means 1, it means n times. So it means one integration, it means t plus c. So why integration of 1? Always t with respect to dt. So t with respect to x, it means dx. So x, dy, so y, ds to s, dr to r, many more. Clear or not? Okay. So formula d by dx x to the power n is equal to nx to the power n minus 1. So now integration, when you integration x to the power n dx. When you integration x to the power n dx. Okay, no problem. Integration x to the power n dx. So how to integrate x to the power n? Divide. When you differentiate, multiply. When you integrate, divide. X to the power n, decrease, increase. Multiplied, divide. Clear or not? And plus c. I think formula is clear. Basic formula of integration. X to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Many students saying, sir, this formula can be applicable for integration ax plus b to the power n. Yes, I am saying yes. If x is linear, if ax plus b is a linear term, clear or not? If ax plus b to the power n is a linear term, or if linear term, so this formula same like that. This formula how? It means ax plus b to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. You remember one thing. What, sir? You remember one thing in differentiation. When constant comes with x, it means coefficient of x. It means coefficient of x. When you derivate of x, differentiation of x is 1. If constant, so constant is always behind d by dx. So same thing in differentiation multiplied by a, but in integration divide by a. Clear or not? Clear? Bilkul. N plus 1 not equal to 0. It means n not equal to minus 1. N not equal to minus 1. Same thing. N not equal to minus 1. Clear or not? Clear or not? Nice. Okay. Second formula. Integration of e to the power x dx. No problem. बहुत ही बेशर्म आदमी है ये, e की पावर x इंटीग्रेशन कर लो चाहे डिफरेंशिएशन कर लो, तुम मेरा कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so integration of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. No problem. Okay, next integration sin x. Next integration sin x. Okay, I am asking to you integration or differentiation of sin x cos x. Differentiation of sin x cos x. Differentiation of minus sin x minus cos x. Differentiation of minus sin x minus cos x. Okay, tell me differentiation of cos x minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x minus sin x. It means integration of sin x. Integration of sin x minus cos x. Exactly. Minus cos x. Minus cos x plus c. Or Mr. Pyarelal, don't forget c. Don't forget c. When you forget this c, then teacher always make you. So please do comment. Okay, so e की power x dx is equal to e की power x plus c sin x dx minus cos x plus c. Same thing, integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Any question, don't forget using c because c is arbitrary constant. One more important thing, sir, same formula work in e की power? Of course, yes. If you do integration e to the power ax plus b, so okay, e to the power ax plus b divide by a plus c. Always coefficient of x divide. So sir, formula sin x in applicable. मैंने कहा हाँ भाई हाँ. What I am saying? हाँ भाई हाँ. Sin ax plus b dx. So you mean to say minus cos ax plus b divide by a plus c. Clear or not? Yes. Thank you so much. So same thing in cos x application. Yes, if cos ax plus b applicable, so divide by a always. Clear or not? But remember one thing, ax plus b always linear term. Okay, integration of 10x. Integration of 10x. Okay, today I am मैं यहाँ पे आपको बता दे रहा हूँ, but when we integration of substitution function, then we prove integration of sin x, tan x is equal to what? So tan x dx is equal to log sec x plus c. One more, minus log cos x plus c. Clear or not? Clear or not? Okay, so this formula is integration of tan x dx equal to minus log cos x. So same thing, ax plus b is also applicable. And always remember, I am again saying, हमेशा ध्यान रखना क्या कि ये फार्मूला तो सिर्फ बेसिक हैं. Actually में real formula is this. Actually real portion is this. ax plus b always you have, and always remember ax plus b is linear. Clear or not? Okay, thank you so much. Now next integration. Integration of sec x tan x dx. So you know very well integration of sec x tan x means sir sec x differentiation of sec x tan x, it means sec x tan x integration sec x, sir, sec x tan x integration sec x, yes of course, yes sec x plus c. Clear or not? Okay, no problem. Integration of cos sec x same cot x, so you mean to say minus cos sec x plus c. Integration of sec square x dx, it means tan x plus c. Integration of cosec square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. Clear or not? Tell me, clear or not? Yes sir, clear. So same thing, ax plus b, if ax plus b respect of x, so you can easily divide by a divided by a and ax plus b. Clear or not? So if this पॉइंट इज क्लियर, सो प्लीज यार लाइक ठोको ना यार, क्यों बैठे बैठे देख रहे हो, कमेंट करो, सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को. सो cosec स्क्वायर एक्स dx इज इक्वल टू माइनस कॉट एक्स प्लस सी. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 बाई एक्स dx इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई एक्स dx इज इक्वल टू log x प्लस सी. ओके 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 सर ओके, 1 अपॉन ए एक्स प्लस बी, 1 upon ax plus b dx is equal to, I mean to say log ax plus b plus c. ओके सर, समझ में आ गया. क्या समझ में आ गया? कि सर डिग्री -1 क्यों नहीं होती है? एक्चुअली डिग्री इज नॉट इक्वल टू -1, n नॉट इक्वल टू -1, बिकॉज इफ यू n इज इक्वल टू -1, सो इट मीन n -1 plus 1 0, समथिंग अपॉन 0 इज, दो हाथों में भी नहीं आएगा, इट मीन्स इनफाइनाइट. Clear or not? So it is a formula, integration of a to the power x dx. So a to the power x upon log a plus c. So there are many formulas of integration. So these formula are basic of integration. So we fight few days for integration questions. So next lecture we discuss some good questions, some good ideas. Okay, thank you so much for today. Jai Hind, Jai Shri Ram.